Good morning. I woke up to this picture frame on the floor broken from last night. I don't know what happened. Really don't know what happened, but it was broken when I got up. And I didn't say he heard it, but when he came into the sleep, so I guess it was fucking me sleep. It was up here, but when I put it up, it did not have the hook. It only have right here. Or they told me don't put it up. Hey fly, come off. Don't put it up. I'm still put it up. So what I was telling him, it was like I didn't want me to tell her don't put up, don't. Yeah. But anyhow, walking into the kitchen. I am making my banana smoothie right now, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge to cool. And then I have a lot, and then today is, I think it's a very busy day for me because I have a lot of things that I want to do. I have some stuff that I want to establish for today, like some products, some hair, slippers. So yeah, I might be having a sale on some Michael Kors slides, so I'll leave that to a next video when I really confirm everything, if I will be able to put out that sale. If you have been supporting me, thank you so much. If you have purchased a hair or a slipper or whatever it is, you know, my new makeup line that I was working on for months now, and I advertised it then, and you know, I kind of laid back with it because I wanted to find out what are some costs to carry out such products. So you know, I'm kind of almost 100% there, but I still try to find out a lot of stuff. I think I might have some wigs I can put on good sale too. Wigs, deep wave short 8-inch wigs, good sale. I think this is the best sale you'll ever get right now. For 7,500, I can put a picture over here. You know, they are, and I can put a picture of me in a wig like similar to that and how it looked and whatever. So if you're interested in getting one of those nice deep wave short, it's a closure wig though, for 7.5 8-inch, and the first me ever see this, like one wig gonna be so cheap, and I'm the one who is putting it out there. So you can hit me up on Instagram. I'll put the details for my Instagram here, and yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm gonna make a banana smoothie, and then I want to make my wig today. I want to make a new wig for myself today. I want to apply for some jobs. Persons have been sending me some new jobs, some schools who are hiring, and yesterday is like 3 persons sent me 3 schools, and person asked to get job it, and you know, so today I'm dedicating that first portion. After I make this smoothie, I'm gonna do that, sort that out, find out how I'm gonna drop it off and whatever, because you know, September is right around the corner, so I have to make sure everything is in order and whatever. So that's it. Today will be definitely a home vlog. I'm not going anywhere, so yeah, I'm gonna make my smoothie though. Be back soon. So guys, if you know me, I'm a businesswoman before I am Tashoya. So I'm actually I walk up at the college because I'm gonna collect some money for someone who wants a Netflix. Hi baby. I don't know who that is. For someone who wants a Netflix account, profile, not an account. So well, basically this is basically like I host persons on a Netflix account. So it's like a shared account where you share it with 4 different persons. So each person pays $950, and then I'm tired. And then I give them an access code to their profile on that account. So You are not expected to give your information to anybody to protect yourself and protect the account. You understand? So yeah. So it's $950 per month, and it's one device at a time. So yeah, somebody's interested, and I'm actually going to get the money now. Normally it's by bank payment, but may I see with the person here.
I'm trying to feel it, and I saw this shoe, and I think it's really neat. You know, this is really nice on a bike for sure. So, what do you think about it? I'm gonna try that one right there.
This one is really cute. Try this one. So guys, I just went shopping. Well, if you call it shopping in Jamaica, I just did that. If you call it that. So doesn't feel like shopping in Jamaica. It doesn't feel like it doesn't come back. So I just got to Ping's. I just got to Ping's and I got some material because, you know, I'm finished. I want to finish wrap something that I was wrapping, and then I have one bench that I couple of pieces here catch up over here. So yo, terrible thing. Currently walking to get little season pizza around here, so not much I really going to this vlog here, but I'm walking to the Burger King Plaza. Little Caesar is right around here, so I'm walking to there, so you know, mark it out. So we marked it off from the outside. Me, door. Yeah. Woman cannot so wet sanitize, yeah. I guess inside too full right now. So people, I'm actually in the taxi right now for got money, go back on my yard. My heart too much sweating, I feel exhausted. Like today I got in an argument with a security lady at the Western Union. This lady, right, they have a Western Union, and I mean outside about more than 10 persons stand up outside. I'm not gonna exaggerate. It was more than 10 persons stand up outside, right? So I wasn't there for a while, but I went and saw probably about 9 persons and 3 persons came after me. And this security lady come out, and first of all, based on how she came out, like she did a rush this man. So the whole I'm not actually area sure. She did rush this man and say, because the man was saying that he was here, and the lady I said, I never seen him on the line. And the man I said he was there, but I'm actually going to see the man there. And no. And anyways, the lady come out, and when she come out with an attitude, and she clap her ass down on the chair. First of all, she come out and she have this something and when she spray, and then she clap her ass on the ground, and she said what she say? I'm gonna go with them tell the story. So I just got home, and here's the pizza. I got a cheese only pizza. Pizza. I got some ranch dressing too, buffalo ranch. Let me go get and show you guys. So, but I'm just showing you guys now how the pizza looks. So, yep, buffalo ranch here. It's a nice little sauce where you dip the pizza slices in. Yeah, I always get it when I go to the Caesar.
So I got some aki, then probably a sweat. I got some cane, and I did a little shopping in Paris, and I got these glasses, and I just show on after, and the shoe there.
So yeah, back to the store. I'm gonna tell them urban down the store with the woman run at the Western Union. Cause she did 2 out of order. So, you know, like she come out and she say, I think I have somebody in them, I'm not sure, I really look on the clip. But she come on and she say, anyways, I'm going to go for lunch now. So, me know, I'm like, when she talk and I hear what she do with the man, so me open my big mouth and me say, everybody I go for lunch? She say, excuse me, miss? Me say, everybody I go for lunch? Yes, everybody I go for lunch. So me say, you have so much person out here and everybody I go for lunch? She said there's only one person working. So me say you have this bigger Western Union and only one somebody at work. And it's gonna be so unfortunate that everybody go on lunch and people have to go wait for like practically 1 hour. Cause you know people them might take them lunch at 1 hour they might take. And them not gonna take them time for rush. Me not have a problem with a person taking their lunch, you know. Listen. If you get a lunch, take a lunch. Cause if I even find a day and you work, them make you take a lunch. Them force if you take a lunch because what? You need to eat. But it's a case where once somebody working on Western Union and you have much people to do, and boy, it's so bad on both the customer side and the customer service side, which means that you know they're offering bad customer service and the customer them not get like the service what them supposed to get. If you don't get what me I say. So the woman come, so me say everybody a go for lunch and all of we out have go wait. Yes, miss, everybody is going on lunch and everybody have to go wait. So me I say, don't talk to me like that. Because she started about, if you have a problem, miss, go take it up with like she said, like you must say, go take it up with whatever office the people that are in charge, head office or go take it up with whatever. Me say, don't talk to me like that. Me say, excuse me? Me say, don't talk to me like that. Me say, you think me I beg you? You think me come here I beg you? Me say, me don't come here I beg you. So why you talk to me like that? Huh? Whatever. Me. And you know when people argue and them like, you know, them like job people in night. You me talk to her away. She some say look here. Yeah, deal with public. You need to know how to talk to people, address people. If we not go for lunch, you know, come and say, you know, right now I'm so sorry, but you know, right now unfortunately we only have one person working and she not go for lunch for morning. So me ask her please and just bear with us and whatever. But she just come flop her ass down, boom, on the stool. We're going on lunch now. You don't talk to people like that. You see, Jamaican people only like stand up. Me not say everybody, but most of them only like stand up for them. Like, them thing here, them don't have no friend like this. Me not say Jamaican people, like Jamaican people alone. But you see, when it come on to foreign people, they make sure say them always make sure people working. Even if they don't provide good customer service, there's always somebody working. You can't have the place locker and people are coming in for service. Not because me I come look for money. You understand? And that is most of them, if I was here ago, I saw them deal with it like a beg. So me say, miss, me not come here beg you, you know? Me not come here beg you. Like, I'm so annoyed. Like, if a KFC me going at most of the time, then people at KFC want me tell them about them parts. Because them don't know how to offer people good customer service. 3/4 of the time I go places, people are giving me attitude. Like, when I have to say, look here, you know, say, I'm not coming in and get money, right? If nobody is, you know, say, in your empty, they might go lock down this place and you probably have to find a different work. Look here. If you not watch this and you guys have like that type of personality, if you not work on one place and a deal, you guys need to fix it. When I say there's not days where not got bad days, but you don't need to fix it. You can't deal with people like that. You cannot, you must not deal with people like that. If you have a friend that I work, I have experience on work and travel when I work in an overseas. And it's when you work, first of all, I used to work at this pizza place and sometimes I did that my face sour, me I tell you, my face sour. But I sit down and me, no, not sit down, because most of you're not sitting and find work, I turn up on your foot. And my face, and the boss will come say, if you can't have a smell on your face, please take off your shirt and go around the back. I saw. And when you're going to have 3/4 of them places, the customer them, people that might serve you, miss what you want. And sometimes you make one mistake. Miss, why you never tell me that long time? When them call the man, assistant please, and then skin up their face so like I beg them nothing. Anyways. I'm sure I'm gonna get a playlist and then I end out devil gear. Not much no go on the devil gear, but yeah man, sure no I'm gonna get. So I got this shoe in playlist.
Alright, you see that shoes I'm show them that try I like it. They had a different style to it. But when I look on it, and I think it worth almost $6 grand. So I'm just put it down back. I got this and they have sale. This is a Payless brand. City of Sneaks. Yeah, it's neat. I need for my foot and so forth. I've never tried this brand before, but oh well. And it's not uncomfortable, it's okay. It's really nice. I have some biker shorts that I would like to wear with it. So yeah, and I got these glasses. I'm showing you glasses. I got these glasses. The original cost was 1,000 and my mouth sounds full. Like I'm gonna eat piece of this something. So it was 1,400 something, but because I'm at 60% off, I think we get about 500 something dollar. Really nice, really unique. So I treated myself today to a shoe and a glass. So yeah, this is where I'm going to end out the vlog. So guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go subscribe. You know, I'm actually need to do a post notification shout out. I go do a post notification. I'm shout out people. I'm shout out some people. Mouthful, but so sorry about that. But life has Michaela, big up yourself, babes. You don't know, no love over here. And just as I am, them people here always up comment under my video, them big up on yourself, my love on them. Yeah, let's go and big up on yourself. To the next vlog. Bad manners to eat and talk, but you know, big up on yourself. Subscribe, join the team if you haven't. Leave a comment, like this video. Next vlogger. Bye.